Dear students, today in this video I am going to discuss about the food resources. What is food resource? Food resource is defined as anything that gives energy to living beings and meets psychological needs for the growth. Now, in many parts of the world, especially in the third world countries, people are facing the acute shortage of food. Even in India, 40% of the people are suffering from malnutrition because of poverty and inadequate purchasing power. What are the causes for food problem? The first cause for the food problem is population explosion. You know very well that in a population, India stands in a second place after China. So, when there is an increase in the population day by day, demand for the food resource also started increasing. So, according to the demand, we are not able to produce the food resources because of scarcity of agriculture land. So, that is one of the reason for the causes for food problem. Then second one, conversion of agriculture land into non-agriculture purposes. Recently, most of the agriculture land is occupied for constructing of building developmental programs and for construction of building or dwelling houses for the human being, that's all. So when the agriculture land are converted in form of a non agriculture purposes, we are facing the problem of food. According to the demand, we are not able to produce the food resources. Then third one, failure of monsoons. According to the requirement of the agriculture, the monsoons are not happening. According to the demand, there is a scarcity of monsoon. So, because of scarcity of rain, we are not able to produce the food resources according to the demand. Then, fourth one is land degradation. Land is mostly occupied by the developmental programs for construction of building, road, and industrialization. So, for agriculture purpose, land is very short. In a short land or in a small land, we have to produce more food resources which is required for a large population. So that's why that is also another reason for the food problem. Then fifth one, excessive use of fertilizers leads to infertility of land. No doubt in a small portion of the land we have to produce more and more food resources which is required by the larger population. Because of excessive use of fertilizers, in order to grow more and more food resources, the all farmers started using chemical fertilizers to grow more food resources. When the fertilizers are used more and more by the farmers, it leads to infertility of the land. Because of infertility of the land, we are not able to produce food resources according to the demand. Then what we have to do next? So we have the government should not give the permission to convert the agriculture land into non-agriculture purposes. Then another one, they have to use the ordinary fertilizers, not to use the chemical fertilizers. So then land degradation should be avoided. So agriculture land should not be provided for industrialization and developmental programs. Then only we are able to face the food problem. So otherwise in coming days we are facing the food problem more and more in future. So that's why we have to save the food resources in future also, in present also. These all about food resources and what are the causes for food resources. These are the reasons.